it's Angie, and I just have a quick video for you today. I bought some new items from the Pandora 2018 Autumn Collection and the Disney Collection, and I just wanted to show you what they look like in real life. So the first charm I was super excited to get was the Jiminy Cricket with the blue enamel, and he's absolutely darling. He's swinging from the little blue enamel umbrella, and he's really, really cute. His little top hat is so sweet, and he is going to look adorable on my Disney bracelet. The second charm I really wanted to get was the Pinocchio. He is so cute, and he's another dangle, but his little arms and legs move. So they are articulated, and he's just so sweet. And here he is from the back. And as you can see, he's absolutely darling. I am a huge fan of the Seven Dwarves, and this quote-unquote spacer was a must-have for me, and it's very, very chunky. I wouldn't even call it a spacer, I would call it an actual bead. And as you can see, it is so beautifully detailed with each little dwarf on there. And you can see how thick it is. So it's not really a spacer, and I did only purchase one, because I think it will take up quite a bit of room and will look beautiful just on its own. So these are the 3 purchases I made from the Disney collection for now. I know there will be a Disney promotion coming up in the fall, so I'll probably wait, but these were my must-haves and I had to get them right away. From the Grains of Life collection, I picked up these 2 silicone clips, and these are called Seeds of Elegance. I just thought they were really pretty with their swirling silver design, and I really like to have the silicone clips to put on my bangles and my leather bracelets. And finally, I couldn't resist Bruno the Unicorn. He's also from the Autumn collection and is just adorable. It's kind of like a cartoon unicorn / cow looking charm, but he's very sweet, and I have a special purpose for him, which is a bracelet I'm putting together and will show you in the future. I'm not quite there yet, but he's really, really sweet, and I know a lot of people have him on their list. Here he is from the back with his little mane and tail. That's Bruno the Unicorn, and he's really, really cute. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing this very quick look at the purchases I made from the Autumn collection, which is out now, and I'm so excited. There are many more things on my list, but I have to pace myself.